challenges in performing stem cell procedures in the United States?
Currently, as a reconstructive surgeon as well as a scientist, the challenges that I face on a day-to-day basis with regard to stem cell therapies, whether it be for cellular use or for the development of biotissue systems, is the regulation from the Food and Drug Administration. So they, at this point, do not allow any clinical use of stem cells beyond cord blood. And for me, as a reconstructive surgeon, that is obstructing to some degree. We know that there is great success in international markets and in foreign hospitals, and we'd like to really bring those successes to the people of the United States. I think we owe it to them and to their future successes themselves.
How can an organization such as AACT advance your work?
I think AACT is a wonderful organization. It brings knowledge from international experts down to the clinicians as well as to the public. The more knowledgeable everybody is, hopefully, the better the application of these therapies to the general public.
Thank you. How do you see an organization such as AACT changing the availability of protocols such as those presented at the AACT conference?
I think AACT is going to become a very important potential tool in the field in terms of advocating with the FDA and regulatory bodies to really promote the concept that we have no question all of these agents are safe, particularly autologous cells. The modifications that are being done to preserve these cells and so forth don't alter the cell function at all. So getting the FDA past that awkwardness of approving an autologous cell, I think, is one of the first steps. We're well into using foreign or allogeneic cells, and I think the FDA has been astounded at the relative safety of that. So allowing us to say, show me safety, then let the market define efficacy and what's the best cell. We certainly are not hurting any patients, and I think that's really a hallmark of where you want to see new therapy go forward. And I think we've got to get this therapy in front of the public, and this is really one of the important tools to help make that case.